Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset your PS5 without losing your data. So if you're troubleshooting your console or preparing it for a fresh start, then just follow along. Before resetting anything, you need to make sure your game saves are backed up. And if you're a PlayStation Plus member, you need to upload your saved data to cloud storage. You can also back up your saves to a USB drive if supported. And if you want to keep screenshots, videos, and installed games, you need to consider creating a full backup using an external USB storage device. And once your important data has been backed up, go to Settings, then open System, then System Software. From there, select Reset Options followed by Reset Your Console. Then follow the on-screen instruction to begin the reset. You need to remember that a factory reset removes user accounts, installed games, settings, and locally stored data from the console itself. After the reset is complete, sign back into your PlayStation account and restore your saved data from the cloud or your backup drive. You can then reinstall your games from your library without losing your progress, provided your saves were backed up beforehand. So that was how to factory reset your PS5 without losing your data. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.